priority corridors, which really links with what Brian just talked about. Of course, we have the 11 corridors. We have 3 state, 3 county, and 5 city corridors. It equals over about 20 miles, and it captures 10% of our total KSIs just by doing 20 miles of improvements. Each of our corridor reports has 4 chapters, and so I just kind of listed the table of appendix here. These were just submitted in June as draft, and so we're kind of currently in review and revision, hoping to finalize next month. So chapter 1 is really like kind of why are we doing this project? Number 2 is really what's the existing conditions and analysis. Chapter 3 is a summary of all the stakeholder coordination that we did, both public meetings, road safety audit, and the stakeholder coordination with our cities and county and state. And then chapter 4 is really the meat of it, is kind of what we propose. And it goes through all the proposed improvements, a cost estimate of that, the BCA that we just talked about, and kind of how we can tee it up for next steps. All right. So starting with city corridors, Royal Palm Boulevard is in the city of Margate. This project is Riverside to 441. We have 23 safety countermeasures proposed on this corridor, 14 corridor, another 9 intersection. This one is 4 lanes existing, but really, really wide lanes and a very wide median. So we're able to kind of reallocate the space from the median to create 2 landscape buffers on the sides is how we did it. So no new right away, just taking that space, reallocating the space. So you can see we got protected bike lanes and sidewalks on both sides on the corridor from Riverside to Rock Island. And then when you get to Rock Island going east, there's these frontage roads that exist. So our thought was we'll use the frontage roads that are very low volume as our bike parallel bike facilities and keep the bikes and the peds separated, and then just narrow up the street to do some traffic calming. And these are the concepts. So you can see a lot of green is kind of shifting to either side. Right now there's a really wide median. And then here we just did spot improvements. So we just showed the aerial with the spot improvements. So you can see kind of some intersections and some raised crosswalks, some median tips.